Facebook short description work like meta description, so it is really important to express your business properly. Hey everyone, welcome back to another Facebook marketing video. In today's video I'll show you how to add or edit short description or meta description to your Facebook business page. Let's jump into the video. Head over Google, and for example, if we search on social media examiner, and if you scroll down here, and you'll see this is their short description. As the same way, if we visit facebook.com and type social media examiner, and you can see their short description or meta description is here. If you want to add or edit your Facebook meta description or Facebook short description, Facebook page short description, then head over facebook.com and log into your Facebook account. After logging to your Facebook account, in the left side you will see pages, and in here you can see all of your Facebook business page and click over which one you want to add or edit. So in here, if you click over about section, and in here this is your Facebook short description. So if we want to edit this one, in the left side menu, click over edit page info. This is your short description. So in here you have to edit or add your short description, and in here in a short description section you have only 255 characters, so you cannot put more than 255 characters. This is really important to know that the short description should be keyword rich, and it should be simple and sweet. After add or edit your short description, it is automatically saved, because Facebook make it simple to us, so that if we forget to save this, Facebook automatically save this. This is the process where you can add or edit your Facebook meta description or short description. Thanks for watching this video.